My day starts with checking in the technicians, going over previous days, making sure they have everything they need before they go out into the field, and to make sure that they're happy with their jobs and what they're doing.
At the contact centers, we have to be the voice of Terminix. My typical day involves interacting with everyone from the associates that are providing service here in the contact center to those that are providing Terminix service out in the field. So I have the opportunity to interact with associates coast to coast, and it provides for a very exciting and challenging day.
When I started with Terminix, I was a frontline associate, and ultimately I got to a leadership position. You figure out which path you should take.
This job is really what you make it. So if you put forth your best effort, Terminix will recognize that.
There's always a challenge. I have never come into the office and not been met with an opportunity to learn something new. The culture here is one that allows for the freedom to step outside of your role.
It's a family environment. Everybody comes to work because they want to be here.
The people are awesome. I get the opportunity to work with some people that will come in, they're dedicated to their positions, they know their roles, they're not afraid to step outside of the box to ensure customer satisfaction.
It's a diverse group, and they come from different backgrounds. They bring different aspects to the company. We take pride on the fact that we do things the right way the first time. And it's just an overall great company to work for.
When I came to Terminix, I was looking for a career more than just a job. 29 years, I'm still here. If you have an opportunity to come on board with this company, it's one that you'll never regret.